And I know a lot of folks want to know about this. All sites down to the south with Tropical Storm Ida. Looking pretty impressive here on the visible satellite image. We're losing the daylight. You can't see a visible satellite image at night. But this is the best way to look at a tropical system. It shows the cloud structure. We have Jamaica here. Here's Cuba, and the center is right in here, but it looks to me it's really starting to get its act together. And the good news is it's a little farther east than the models indicated. That may be good news for us, is that could push it further east, but regardless, it's going to be a very close call. Here's the latest forecast as it moves over western Cuba. Could be a hurricane as early Saturday morning, winds at 80 Saturday afternoon, 100 Sunday morning, 110 Sunday afternoon. But I will say the computer models, when it comes to tropical systems, usually underestimates the intensity. With Laura, the models were going 130 to 135. We saw what happened with winds up to 150. Not saying it's going to happen here, but conditions are favorable for that to happen, as we don't have a lot of wind shear, the waters are warm, and that track takes it toward the southeastern parts of the state. Many of you may remember Hurricane Gustav back in 2008. It hit Labor Day, September the 1st. And it came in here and then moved across Acadiana with winds up to about 75 over Opelousas. This one, if it makes this track, it's going to turn before it comes into Acadiana. But regardless, we could still see some pretty strong winds with that if it's a Category 2, maybe Category 3 hurricane. And still not out of the question, this may be a Category 4 at landfall. As we zoom in a little bit closer, right now the track takes it into Terrebonne Parish and then pushes it off to the north up into southern parts of Mississippi as we go through Monday afternoon. Tropical models pretty much clustered there in the same location. The GFS model, which has been pretty reliable, has been consistent with a landfall across the eastern parts of the state. The latest run just came out, and it has it over toward the New Orleans area. And then I'm looking at one coming out right now, and it looks as though it's going to be more easterly bias as well. Good news for us, not good news for New Orleans and the southeastern parts of the state. But like I said, we could still see some pretty gusty winds.